Let's dive into division. 262 divided by 2. Hey super math stars. Sparkles, if you're having fun learning with us, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome math adventures. Alright team, let's start our division adventure with the first digit of 262. We're going to use the first digit, which is 2. Say hello to our partial number. Now, how many times does 2 fit into 2? You got it, it's 1. Let's check 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, perfect. Time to subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. We've got no remainder here. Awesome work on the first step. You're doing fantastic. Now, let's bring down the next digit and keep the party going. Here we go with the next digit. We're bringing down the 6. Our new partial number is 6. Look at that. How many times does 2 go into 6? Think of your 2's times tables. It's 3. Let's multiply. 3 times 2 equals 6, spot on. Now we subtract. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Another clear step. You're crushing it. Just a few more steps to go. Let's grab the last digit and finish strong. Last one, we bring down the final digit, which is 2. Our last partial number is 2. We're almost there. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It's 1. Let's check our work. 1 times 2 is 2. We did it. Subtracting now. 2 minus 2 equals 0. No remainder. Woohoo, you've completed all the steps. High five. We've reached the end of our division journey for 262 divided by 2. Amazing. So, 262 divided by 2 equals 131. Great job, everyone. We just tackled dividing 262 by 2 step by step. Remember, every division problem is just a puzzle waiting to be solved. Keep practicing, and you'll become division wizards in no time. That's all for today, Math Explorers. Keep that curiosity buzzing, and we'll see you in the next video on Let's Stud. Bye for now, waving hand.